बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम वत्तीन वज़्ज़ैतून वतूर सीनीन वहाज़ल बलदिल अमीन लक़द खलक़नल इंसाना फ़ी अहसनि तक़वीम सुम्मा रददनाहु अस्फला साफ़िलीन इल्ला الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات وتواصوا بالحق فلهم أجر غير ممنون فما يكذبك بعد بالدين أليس الله بأحكم الحاكمين صدق الله ورحمة الله وبركاته जहाँ रोज़े पाक खैरुल बरा है वो जन्नत नहीं है तो फिर और क्या है। कहाँ मैं कहाँ हूँ मदीने की गलियाँ ये किस्मत नहीं है तो फिर और क्या है। जहाँ रोज़े पाक खैरुल बरा है वो किस्मत नहीं है तो फिर और क्या है। मोहम्मद की अज़मत को क्या पूछते हो कि वो साहिबे बशर की तरह अर्श मेहमान नवाज़ी ये आज़मत नहीं है तो फिर और क्या है। जहाँ रोज़े पाक खैरुल बरा है वो जन्नत नहीं है तो फिर और क्या है। जो राशि को कमली में अपनी छुपा ले जो दुश्मन को भी ज़ख्म खाकर दुआ दे उसे और क्या नाम देगा ज़माना। वो रहमत नहीं है तो फिर और क्या है।
Myself is Shiva Farooq from class 8 and I am here in front of you all to deliver a speech on Isaac Newton and Fermat addition. Isaac Newton's principle mathematics evolutionized physics and established the laws of motion and universal gravitation. His comprehensive framework for understanding the natural world has endured for centuries. Thomas Alva Edison, often hailed as the inventor of the electric bulb, Edison has over 110,000 patents, including inventions like the phonogram and motion pictures camera, which profoundly shaped modern technology and entertainment. Thank you. And a very good morning to all. I am Fatima from class 7 and I am here to share more stories about real scientists. People who followed their curiosity, work hard and change the world. Let's start with Isaac Newton. He was sitting under a tree when an apple fell on his head. Most of us would just eat the apple, right? But Newton asked, why discover gravity. One of the biggest scientific ideas is that his curiosity turned a simple moment into history. Now let's learn about Jane Goodall. When Jane was a little girl, she loved animals. She dreamed of living in the jungle. People laughed at her and said, "Girls don't become scientists." But she did listen. She went to Africa, lived among chimpanzees, and became one of the greatest animal scientists of all time. She proved that being passionate can break any rule. And finally, meet Kalpana Chawla, the girl who reached for the stars. Literally, she was born in India and dreamed of going to space. People told her it was impossible. But she studied hard, became an astronaut, and flew on a NASA mission. Sadly, she lost her life in space, but her journey inspired millions of girls to aim high. So what to do? These stories tell us you don't need to be a genius. You just need to be curious, brave, and willing to work hard. Science isn't just in lab. It's in asking why, believing in your dream, and never giving up. Thank you. May we all change our question like state.
My name is Simran. I am from class 7th. I am excited to be here today. I am researching about a famous female scientist named Marie Curie. Time traveled back to 1915 to witness their struggles and triumphs of the scientists who discovered a new element that let us glow in the dark. Marie Curie is best known for the discovery of radium and radioactivity and the treatment for cancer, but to understand the obstacles she faced just to get into the laboratory. She was born in Poland in 1867 and moved to France for study. She became the first woman to win a Nobel Prize from two fields, physics and chemistry. Her dedication, hard work, and love for learning inspired millions of her. She remembered not only for her discoveries but also a role model of a woman and scientist worldwide. Thank you.
आपको याद होगा उसको लीजिएगा माता जैसे देखिए याद नहीं करते
from class 9 and I am going to talk about something that we use and that is calculator. The calculator was invented to make math faster and easier. Before it, big calculation took a lot of time and effort. The first simple calculator was made in the 17th century by Blaise Pascal. It could only do addition and subtraction. But now we have scientific and digital calculator that can solve any complex problem and make calculation easy. Thank you.
Now again, today is the of coach. The German bacteriologist made significant contribution to the field of microbiology. He discovered the bacteria responsible for anthrax, tuberculosis, and cholera. He developed postulates which are used to determine the causative agent of infection disease. The winner the Nobel Prize in Physiology and Medicine in 1995 for his work on tuberculosis. An American multinational separation headquartered Wichita, Kansas. It is the second largest privately held company in the United States. It operates in various sectors, including petroleum, chemical, energy, and textile.